Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So today we're going to talk about photography and your phone. What you are going to be asked to do is you're going to be taking a picture or pictures, okay, of one subject. So it's going to be a series. Now, something that I really enjoy is I love my garden. I took a picture of my garden because I was trying to show someone. I'm like, oh, look at all the stuff here. Now, it was just a candid shot, nothing really, good about this, okay? But if I zoom in, I probably can find a better image if I zoom in. So, let's go back here. Editing. Let's go up and edit. So first thing I want to do is I want to crop this, all right? So I'm going to go in and I'm only going to take out what I would like. That looks much better. Now, we are going to be changing more likely, you're going to be changing your images to be black and white, all right? I'm looking for contrast in these images, okay? Contrast, remember, is a dark and light. It's like darks next to lights, not a lot of the medium. So let's first start off by going into the different filters, okay? So explain to you why one over the other. Okay, so the mono tends to make these you see all the mediums. There's not really lights and darks. Where we go over to Silvertone, that's a little bit better. Now we're starting to see contrast, darks next to lights. And Noir definitely gives it more of that dark and light, okay? So I'm going to highly suggest that you pick maybe Silvertone or Noir. I'm going to stick with Noir because I like that. All right, another way that you can also adjust the light, the background, and some other things is right in here. So I'm going to talk about the highlights, okay? Highlights tend to be bright or darker. As you can kind of see, it gets a little brighter and darker, so I'm going to take that. Shadows, same thing. Brightens up your shadow area. I'm going to go back right there. That's perfect. Contrast. Now this is where it makes those darks darker and the lights a little bit brighter. So, ooh, that looks good there. We have brightness. Brightness just takes those whites and make them a little brighter. Nice. All right. Now, once you have your image, all right, you're going to try to figure out, like, well, where am I going to put these? How am I going to get them to hand them in? You have options. You can include them into a Google slideshow, okay, where you are going to make it so you're put several of the slides together and then upload into Seesaw that way. Another way is in Seesaw, you can create your own post. All right, so if you go in, you click drawing image, you can upload one image, then add another slide, and you can keep adding them there. All right, now remember, I'm looking for black and white photos, contrast. Okay, I am definitely looking for that contrast, or better yet, the value scale where we have dark all the way through light. Okay, I'm not looking for one, particularly the center. I'm looking for contrast, okay? And I'm looking for a series. So you're going to have to come up with a certain number of pictures as well as a focus, all right? So hopefully that has, answered a couple questions on what I'm looking for this assignment.